but anywho, I got the cover's gone. That's what I've gone outside, cleaned up, done, fires up, runs good for place better. But I keep hearing this weird, crazy noise in the back of this thing, driving it down the road. Right off, I just quick jump every time. Oh, shit! Front control arm bushing is the same way, and it just pop right out. Crazy stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting on these lower adjustables and subframe connectors. I got my buddy up north. Alright. Subframe connector. Done. I'm gonna remove the other. Pull it as I go as much as possible. Trailer trash in that Camaro here. Lid I got there, the mower power. So, but we're getting there, I will check back in a second and see once we got this thing bolted together and adjusted. Alright, got the arms on. Both sides, arms on both sides. My downfall was I couldn't get so I could get the nut loose on them. I got this one to adjust on both sides, but the other one is off the bar. So I have to work on that later. If I ever need to make an adjustment, I need that to be loose. I have to try and put a little heat on it. It doesn't work to loose, but for now, it's in stock location. So I'll put this thing together, go drive, see what it does, see how it feels. What up, what up? We are car up off the ground. About to install this electric cutout. Got just a cheap $100 cutout with the little key fob remote. Eventually, if that key fob remote ends up taking a shit, I'm just gonna wire this thing up hard. Believe it's just a reverse polarity type deal where it's just power one way, you know, and it sends the motor to one direction, power the other just moves it the other direction. So it shouldn't be too bad to wire up that way, but the plan is right now going to go ahead and cut this thing. I already made 2 marks. Yeah, and right there, it's gonna fit in there perfectly in that little gap, and then I'm gonna put a turn down on it. That way it literally just takes and just turns straight down, pointed towards the ground. So you can see a little better the arms, the braces under here, the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started cutting this thing out, and then we're gonna get this thing mocked up, get it welded in, get a tip on it, and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so the cutout is installed with a dump on it. So we are about to fire it up and try it. You got the clicker? Do the honors here? Can you record?
Oh.
What do you want to record? You want to record both?
No, I can't. And hit just. I can't do that. It's just in that.
Well, grab your phone. I'll get this one. Come on, let's just go. Go, Bubba. Get him, Bubba, in the back. In the back. Good boy. Good boy. Just move Mommy's purse so you don't stand on it. She's murderous. Say, is you ready? Skeeter. Air off. Go ahead and hit it. Nice little difference. Definitely gonna keep it on the open just a little more than we do on the closed. Because I like my shit loud. So we'll get one more time from the outside real quick. So she's closed. Now open. She got a little bit of a rumble. Not quite as loud as the Trans Am was with open exhaust, but it was from the header 3-inch all the way back. This one like necks down to some weird 2.5-inch shit that they did. But still, nonetheless, it sounds good. You can hear this cam a little more thump to it now with the exhaust open. And back to out the back. So we definitely gonna go try this out tomorrow and see what she sounds like open. Go cruise around and rip it. But until then, we'll see you next time.